Hi everybody, I'm Crystal.
And I'm Allison.
And we're the marketing team from Get Online NOLA. And today we're going to be talking about foot traffic. Increasing foot traffic, local SEO, and location-based advertising.
Let's get started. So for small businesses, it can be super helpful to do location-based ads. So this would be ads on Facebook. You can even do Google ads that are really tight located to a specific location. So these ads you can set up to be based on a zip code, you can do based on your entire city, or you can even do geo-targeted ads for a very specific location and then doing a radius out from there. So this can be really helpful if you're doing an event, if you have a special going on that day, like you're having 25% off of whatever your service item might be, that you can have a location ad for your specific store with a radius as far out as you would like it to go, saying, come in today, we are having this amazing sale, and people who are walking around and browsing on their phone as they walk, which everybody does nowadays, they can see your ad and then they can head in towards your store because they're already in the area. So it can be really effective for small businesses.
So piggybacking off of Allison, you can utilize location-based advertising to reach customers in a certain area around your business by using sites like Groupon and Living Social to offer limited time deals and specials that they can only get in your area at a certain time.
So local SEO can also be really important for small businesses because it helps get people in your area who are searching for terms that are very specific. So we have an entire blog post that we will link in the description that talks about how to find keywords, and it can be really helpful for local businesses where you can find, dry cleaners open near me. Keywords like that show really heightened intent that people are searching. They want to find your business right now. And Crystal's going to tell us a little bit more about how to implement it.
So Google My Business is a free platform that you can use to claim your business. And when someone searches, like Allison said, dry cleaners near you, if they're in a certain area like the New Orleans area and you're near them, you would pop up as on the Google Maps and Google search terms as a business near them. With Google My Business, you can look at the inquiries that people are searching where they find your business, and you can use those keywords on your website, on your Google My Business posts, on your social media postings, and other things like that to draw potential customers in your local area to your business.
Foot traffic is really important to a lot of small businesses, especially if you're in like a downtown area or a place where a lot of people tend to walk around. So foot traffic is getting the people who are literally on the street walking in your area to come into your store. So it's really effective in boosting your sales.
Increasing foot traffic is extremely important, whether it's gaining local foot traffic or even out of town people. So you can work with influencers, which we actually have a blog post about, which you can learn more about how to work with influencers and get in contact with them to work with your business. And email marketing and also online advertising are key for increasing foot traffic. And there's also ways you can increase foot traffic in person in the store.
Yes. So it's really important for businesses that are in a popular area that get a lot of people walking around regularly to have a store that kind of stands out. So this can be anything from like a little sidewalk sign that has, your daily specials or a sale that you might be having that day, or it can be like something big, like a big mural on the side of your building, something that really grabs attention, and that way people are attracted to your store, they see it, it's very in their face, and then they're intrigued to go inside. And then once they're in the store, you or your salespeople talk to them more specifically about what they're looking for, and that way you can make that sale in person, but the things that you do outside your store, get them in. So it's really important when you're doing any advertising to really know who your customer is. We have this super helpful blog post on getonlinenola.com that has a really in-depth worksheet that you can work through to write down your customer persona. And this is basically like the idealized version of your customer. And that way you get that person in mind, like you know that you are talking to Rebecca, your best customer, about your store. And you know her likes and dislikes, you know what social media platform she's on, and you know what kind of messaging speaks to her in a way that's going to ring authentic. Then you can really start getting into advertising online, and that way you know that the money that you spend on it is going to be much more effective.
Thanks so much for watching. We hope you guys learned a lot about generating foot traffic with local SEO and location-based advertising, and you can learn more at getonlinenola.com.